Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix camera app not working on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, update your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, if you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest iOS version, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version if update is available on your iPhone. So my iPhone is on the latest version, updated. So I have also updated my version. So go back, and the next solution is force close all apps on your iPhone. So close all recent apps on your iPhone. So after this, the next solution is restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag this slider to the right. So then open lock screen. After this, so guys, and the next solution is check storage space on your iPhone. For this, open settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. So guys, if your storage is full, so free up some storage. Go back, and the next solution is, so guys, if you have enabled voiceover on your iPhone, so simply disable the voiceover. After this, the next solution is reset all settings. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and tap on reset all settings. Then enter your iPhone passcode. So guys, here you can see, guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings. So after resetting all your settings, so guys, here are some simple solutions to fix your iPhone camera issue on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.